The idea of International Day of Yoga was first proposed by the current Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, during his speech at the United Nations General Assembly on 27th September 2014. He stated that yoga is an invaluable gift of India's ancient tradition. In those days, yogis and saints have practiced yoga and lived a healthy life. If a person practices yoga regularly, it keeps the person away from any illness and gives him a disciplined life. Yoga gives remedy to innumerable diseases without taking any medicines. There is a specific set of yoga exercise for each and every health issues. I am going to give you a exclusive yoga exercise to get relieved from the thyroid related problems in human. Watch carefully and start practicing this yoga will give you a comfortable, complete relief from thyroid problems. The first one, Sarvangasana. This asana involves being upside down with support from the shoulder. The inversion performed in this asana helps direct blood flow to the throat. This is beneficial yoga for hypothyroid problems. The second asanas, Viparita Karani, helps to improving the blood flow to the glands. It also works on the systems of hypothyroidism when it revitalizes the mind, reduces fatigue, and helps cure insomnia. The third one is Halasana, is known as plow pose. It helps to activate the butterfly gland while strengthening the back muscles, toning abdominal glands and relaxing the nervous system. Fourth one is Matchasana or the fish pose, helps to arch the back such that it supports increased blood circulation to the thyroid glands. It helps to regulate hypothyroidism by stretching the throat and neck. It also improves final health. The fifth one is Dhanurasana, helps by massaging the thyroid gland. It is helpful to treat hypothyroidism by stimulating hormone production and also strengthening the back and reducing stress. The sixth one is Uttrasana. This asana stretches the neck and improves blood circulation. It is excellent for people who have asthma. Utkatrasana is good for relieving issues of the spine as well. The seventh one is Sedbandhasana. This asana, known as the bridge pose, is a great way to regulate thyroid hormones. The Sedbandhasana increases blood flow to the brain and helps to relax it. This indirectly helps to control hyperthyroidism. Therefore, it is a great yoga pose for hypothyroid issues. Eighth one is Ujjayi Pranayama, is an effective way to stimulate the reflex path of the throat. This then regulates hormone production in the thyroid glands. It helps for hyperthyroidism and hypothyroidism. The ninth one is Bhujangasana. The cobra pose or Bhujangasana helps to stretch the neck and throat. It increases the production of hormones and helps people with hypothyroidism. Bhujangasana also help relieve chronic back pain also. The 10th one is Navasana or the boat pose, helps to stimulate the thyroid region and is beneficial for people who suffer from hypothyroidism. It is a great way to strengthen one's core and improve spinal strength too. Yoga therapy can cure every diseases and disorders. practice yoga, and have a healthy life. Thank you.